Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, power mirrors, traction control system, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.